Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to Now Sensei's Craftastic Time. Are you ready to do some crafts? All right, so today we will be making flowers. Today will be very simple flowers that you can do at home. Let's get started. For our first flower, we will need white paper, yellow paper, and green paper. First, take the white paper and we want to make squares. So cut into whatever size you want and make squares. They don't have to be perfect. When you fold them in half, the corners don't have to meet. You'll just cut them off. Now you want to make a big fat leaf shape. You can go ahead and make a second one, so you can make two at the same time. Now take the yellow sheet and you want to make two strips. We want to cut off the top and make it round. Now we want to glue the yellow strip in the middle of the leaf. Put some glue at the bottom end of the yellow strip and glue it onto one end of the leaf. And you can curl the yellow strip just like this. Now you want to curl in the sides of the leaf and try to make it into a cone shape. Glue the sides together. Hold it down tight so the flaps stick together. You can go ahead and work on your second one. Make sure it's a cone shape. Now you have your two flowers, and we're going to use the green paper and make small, tiny cones again. And this doesn't have to be in perfect shape either. Once you have the cone shape, glue one side into the cone. Once you have the green little cones, you will now glue the flower into the cones, just like this. Great! Now you have your two white, simple flowers. Now we're on to our second flower. You want a maybe postcard size paper, and we want to cut them into long strips, about the thickness of your finger. We want 8 strips all together. Once you have all your strips, put them together and fold them in half. Take one strip and put glue in the middle of the strip, where the crease is. And then you want to fold in each side into the center. so you have a bow shape. And do that to all of the strips. When you're done with the strips, you want to take one and put some glue in the middle of the strip. Cross over with another one and glue again diagonally. And then you want to do the same thing again. Now you have two of the same things. Make sure that the glue is dry. Now take your yellow paper and cut out a small yellow circle. And glue the yellow circle in the center of one flower. Then you want to put some glue in the middle of the other flower and cross over with the other one. So now you have a flower with lots of beautiful petals. Pinch the center until the glue dries. If you want, you can take a marker and make little dots in the center of your flower. And now your third flower. You'll need two colors of paper. Take the lighter color paper and fold it in half the long way. Take your scissors and cut leaf shapes. If you need to draw them first, that's okay too. You can cut many leaves. The more leaves you have, the more petals your flower will have. Now take your darker color paper and we're going to do the same thing. However, we want bigger petals. So take the first petal that you cut out and make an outline of a bigger leaf. Then start cutting. When you're done cutting all the leaves, now we want to glue the small leaf onto the big leaf. Make sure to match the points of both of the leaves. Now do the same for all of the other leaves. Phew, good job. Now it's time to put them into a flower shape. Each petal will overlap with the petal next to it. You can have 5 petals, 6 petals, or 10 petals. Make sure that they're evenly spread out. Now it's time to glue them together. Just glue the overlapping part for each of the petals. Remember the shape they were in. Now the last leaf is a little difficult. You kind of have to squeeze the leaf into the center. When you have the right place, glue it down. Don't forget to glue the petal that comes on the top. Wonderful work! These flowers can be used in many ways. Let's get creative. And don't forget to clean up when you're done. You all did a very good job. Which flower did you like? Now, in my next video, I will show you how to use them and make beautiful decorations for your home. Also, it's almost Mother's Day, so you can make a perfect gift for your mother. If you want to keep it a secret, ask Daddy to help. See you!